a roof in Darien, Connecticut, and it's about to rain. I gotta fix this quickly. But the roof is, we did this roof like 20 years ago or more. It's in very good shape. Check it out. Very good shape. But again, like in most cases, other people, contractors come and they want to do some repairs, or they put tar over everything, and so they tarred over this roof. And tar doesn't last. So let me show you what we're gonna do. I have a friend of mine, she's visiting from Texas, and she's gonna show you how quickly and easily we can fix this roof. So it's about to rain. You can see the drops already on, but I'm gonna fix this before it rains. So she's doing it quickly. She knows what to do. You just paint that on. Paint it on. Okay. And there, and there. Yeah. A little bit wider, but anyway. Okay. This wider this way too. Yeah.
Okay.
Here you go. What's that? A Texas gold. And you paint that. Alright, then paint on top of that again. And we're done. And it takes 5 minutes before it cures. Well, cures. You don't want it to rain on it. So, to fix a roof, very, very simple. Don't use tar. Tar the cracks, and we fix something else while we at it. Just paint this. There's a crack. Hold on, let me show the crack. You see the crack there? So instead of tar, the tar gets hard, and so we just put this. Side too. More there, sweetheart. Yeah, you see the crack?
Yes.
Areas where hard crack. This is pliable, flexible, and it sticks to any tar, metal. Looks nice, and it's fixed. I'm the flat roof doctor. I know a thing or two because I've seen a thing or two. Like a Texan girl fixing a roof. You see her? You done?
Yes.
Alright, let's get out of this.
Yes.